To the left here we have our navigation, and this is where we can go to these different subjects to welcome, contacts. If I right click, nothing happens. We have groups, and you can see that it changes in here. And our companies, calendar, task list, and we're going to go over all this in detail, and the dashboard. It's very well organized in Act 2011. Now down here on the right you see these little arrows, and if I select them it brings out this flyout menu where I can show fewer buttons, and these are called buttons. So every time I select and show fewer buttons, look what happens. It's creating the little buttons here instead of the list. Like, look at the little fella here. I think it's going to take it from the bottom. So we'll look at this companies and watch. And now you can see the little icon there. So you just keep doing that and show fewer buttons. If we go ahead and select it again, we can show more buttons. And we have our nav bar options. So we could do it this way too, just have it not show at all, period. And now they're just gone. So we'll go back to nav bar options, bring it back, and then we can organize it. Let's say I want the dashboard up top, and select OK, and now my dashboard has moved up. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring those back. Okay, so now if I go ahead and select that and do add or remove buttons, I can simply remove them as well. And then we have the little arrow here again, and remember that brings out this flyout menu. So I'm just going to leave it at its default, and that's how we can use the options on the nav bar and move things around.